Hello, in front of me I've got a Logitech PRO X SUPERLIGHT 2C. In this video I'll show you how to set DPI switch to mouse button. To assign DPI switch to mouse button, let's go to Logitech G HUB and sensitivity. Assignment. Select button you would like to adjust it, for example, forward. And now in system find DPI switch. DPI up or down. Double tap it and it's set. For example, to back button we can assign DPI down. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.